Hi everyone, let us see Excel hack here. Welcome to Buvis e-learning. Press the like button, new viewer subscribe and click the bell button for notification.
Today we are going to see how to create chart easily in Excel. So I'm going to create a table first, list of items which has been sold and the balance of the item. So let me give here some stationery items below. So pen, pencil, eraser, ruler, notebooks, chart, A4 sheet. So let me give sales sold item sold countings here: 80, 90, 70, 50, 40, 60. Just I'm giving some random number here. So next balance would be around 100, 200, 500, 300, 500, 400, 800. So let us create the data. Let us create the chart now. Just I'm selecting these two columns. Now press Alt plus F1. The chart has been created for the table. So now we can add the third column also in this table. Just select this third column, press Ctrl plus C. The column has been copied. Click this click this chart. Press Ctrl V. So third column is also added in the chart. So here, just click this plus button at the right side of the corner, top right corner. We found some various options here. So let me tell about data labels. If you click the data label, we will get to know the sold counting and the balance counting at the top of the each column here. So next, if we give error bars, we can see the black line over here. If we click legend, we can see the color representation of sales and the balance here. So blue color represented for sales and balance is for orange. Next, if we click data table, we can see the table in the short below the chart. If we choose the trend line for sales, it is represented in the blue dotted line. Again, if we click trend line for balance, to show the balance, see we can see clearly the orange dotted line over here. So it is very easy to create chart in the Excel.
Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, press like, share, give your comments. Thank you.